Hey guys, it's Jason here, Olde Carr Guy. I wanted to relaunch a video that I did way back when I first started doing YouTube. My wife and I, we had a little bit of fun with it. I don't want to give it away, so take a look and let me know what you think in the comment section below. So, I told you that I was going to do an oil change on the wife's van. Here it is. So, one of the things that we are very excited about is that in the last episode you saw that we reached 600,000 kilometers on this van. One of the secrets to getting this van to last that long is regular oil changes. Well, here in Canada we've got a special ingredient. And I'll tell you about it in just a second. But first, we've got to drain the old special ingredient out of the van. Alright, so we're going to take the drain plug off here. And we'll let her pour out of there. She's good and hot. Boys, I can smell her already. That smell button. So while we wait for that to drain out, I guess it's time that we should tell you what the secret ingredient is. Up here in Canada, the secret ingredient to making a vehicle last 600,000 kilometers is maple syrup. I just happen to have some. This is PC brand maple syrup, 100% pure. So good, I think I might even take a drink. Uh-oh. You hear that? I think I hear a Canadian accent coming out, boys. I need to get myself a knife in it. Oh yeah, we got the plastic protection on there. I think we better test this stuff out first, make sure she's good and ripe. Truly Canadian, eh? So I'm gonna reach up there, and grab a hold of that used maple syrup filter up there. We're gonna spin that puppy right off there, eh? Alright, so spin that off and let the old maple syrup pour right out of her. Alright, so follow me over to the maple syrup filter cabinet. Special ones are in blue. So you know how we know that they are special maple syrup filters? Because it says so right on the filter, eh? So we're going to add a little bit of this right into the filter. We don't want it starting up dry on maple syrup. Now we're going to spin our maple syrup filter up on the engine. It's okay if we lose a little bit. We'll just put it on our French toast later. So you see this big red tank here, eh? This is where we store all the old maple syrup. We send that stuff right up to Quebec. Just like on my son's truck, we send it right up to Quebec. They make some really good stuff up there. Good to the last drop. So now we're going to set her down and fill her up. Alright, we're ready to fill her up. There we go, 1 down and 4 more to go. Alright, that should do her. Good to the last drop. And there you have it, cat's out of the bag. And that, my friends, is how you get 600,000 kilometers on a vehicle in Canada with maple syrup. So guys, thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, click here. If you want to subscribe, click here. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Oh, you got maple syrup on your chin.
No, I don't.
Yeah. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said before, we had a ton of fun making this video. I do want to throw a disclaimer in there. We did not use maple syrup in that engine. I know all you smart people out there get it, but there's a few that are going to comment down below that say, no, he didn't really do that. So anyways, guys, as always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay focused on the windshield, not the rearview mirror. I love you guys. God bless. We'll see you in the next update.